Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So yeah, you guys, do you not see this wig? If you guys want to see how I installed this wig, definitely stay tuned to the rest of the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Hi guys, so you guys just saw me install this wig here. Yes, this wig, guys. So you guys see this wig? I'm loving it. This is totally different for me. This is not nothing that I would usually buy, but I am trying to do things different on this channel, y'all. I'm just trying to show y'all some cheap wigs that you can buy. Beauty on a budget, y'all. Beauty on a budget. I'm trying to show you guys some cheap wigs that you can buy, that you can dress these bad boys up to look presentable. Like, seriously, you heard me? Like, you ain't gotta spend a whole lot of money. But anyway, so this wig was purchased from Amazon. This wig was less than $20. I believe it was like $18.99. And this wig is a blind, a 30 Pixie cut wig. It is a finger wig. It says it's a finger ocean wave wig. You guys, ain't this wig is giving you like what the year is, like the 70s or something like that. I don't know what the year it was, but yes, look at this wig. It's giving me life for real. But yeah, you guys, this is a synthetic wig and it does come finger wave the way it is. I believe it has other colors in this wig. Don't quote me on that, but I will put it down in the description bar if you guys want to purchase this wig. Again, less than $20, y'all. Yes, less than $20. Like I said, the wigs today have evolved. Meaning nobody should be walking out here looking like I don't know what and who did it. Like, this wig cost me $18 and y'all see how I dressed this thing up? Look at that. Come on, baby. You can dress anything up. Makeup, clothes, dress it up. You can make it look good. Look at this wig. Killed it. So yeah, you guys, definitely if you like this wig, I'm gonna put everything down in the description bar if you want to purchase this wig. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. It was an easy 5-minute look that you can quickly throw on to go out wherever you need to go, date night, whatever. But yeah, it's cheap and it's easy to put on. And again, this is a synthetic wig. This is not an everyday wearing wig. You cannot sleep in this wig. Don't be going swimming in this wig. It ain't that type of wig. Got it? So yeah, if you want to purchase this wig, definitely get the link down in the description bar. And yeah, you guys, I'm about to jump out of this video, but definitely before I jump out of this video, Make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell if you already have not did so. So definitely hit the subscribe button, notification bell. Every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely be notified. I thank you guys for tuning in to another a beauty on a budget. And I will see you in my next beauty on a budget video. So yeah, you guys, I'll see you in my next video.